Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an Information and Communication Technology class for the students of class 9. Today I will discuss on Assignment 1 for the students of class 9. Okay? Before starting our class, look at the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 9 or to the subject Information and Communication Technology. Topic Assignment 1 discussion. Term half yearly 2021, lecture number 11. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 11. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my mobile number. Before starting our discussion, let's see the topic of your assignment number 1. This is from your first chapter, the 21st century and information and communication technology. There are some topics in your first chapter: great ICT personalities, e-learning and Bangladesh, e-commerce and Bangladesh, ICT in the job sector of Bangladesh, social networking and ICT, entertainment and ICT, and digital Bangladesh. Look, assignment or assigned task: write a report within 250 words on the role of e-learning to continue educational activities in the present COVID-19 situation. I repeat the topic again: the role of e-learning to continue educational activities in the present COVID-19 situation. And you have to write this report in within 250 words. Dear students, at first you have to understand that this is not a composition or essay, but this is a report. So there is a different format, unlike essay writing or composition writing. Now today I will give you some instructions and format of report writing, and the rest will be done by you. I think it will be easy for you. Your submission date of this assignment is 17th June 2021. I repeat again, your submission date is 17th June 2021. Okay, this is the format. This is your lecture number 11. At first you will write the topic. At the beginning of your report you will write the topic. The topic is the role of e-learning to continue educational activities in the present COVID-19 situation. Then you will address someone. That means you will write down the name whom you are writing or submitting this report. You will mention to the headmaster. That means you will mention your headmaster, and then you will mention the name of your school: National Ideal English Version School, Born Street, Dhaka. Then you will write down the subject: report submission on the role of e-learning to continue educational activities in the present COVID-19 situation. Then you will have to mention a reference. You can write down the name of the short form of your school, and then the code 1244 NIVS 1244. This is the reference. Now you will address the headmaster: dear sir, according to your order number NIVS 1244, I am presenting a report on the role of e-learning to continue educational activities in the present COVID-19 situation. So this is the beginning, this is the starting of your report. Then you will start to write the main body of your report. You will write down the title again. Title means the topic: the role of e-learning to continue educational activities in the present COVID-19 situation. Then you will make some paragraphs, and you have to remember one thing, that you have to write down this report within 250 words. This will be the main body. I have pointed out the names of the topics. That means on what ground, on what topic you will write down. At first you will make an introduction. In the introduction you will introduce something about e-learning and its concept. What is e-learning? What do you understand by e-learning? And it's from where this concept we have got. In the second, challenges for normal education system due to COVID-19 situation. In the second paragraph you will mention that what are the challenges, what are the problems for normal education system in this present COVID-19 situation. That means the problems we are facing for not opening the schools or education institutions, for which reasons we can't attend the education institutions, you will mention here. The third point, different online teaching methods. Now you will mention different online teaching methods, by which techniques or methods we can carry out our present educational system. For example, live class, YouTube class, etc. The next point will be involvement of my own institution in e-learning. Now you will mention that how your institution is involving itself in the present condition through e-learning process. The next point will be benefits or advantages of e-learning, where the whole country is taking allow from the educational institutions. Now we are trying to involve ourselves in e-learning process. So you will mention here the what are the advantages or benefits of e-learning, and at the end you will make conclusion. You will make a conclusion, and thus you will finish your report. I have made a note here that this is the continuous composition type writing. You need not mention the points name. That means this name, introduction, challenges, different online teaching methods. You need not to write these points. You will just describe these points in paragraphs. Write in several paragraphs. Okay. And at the end, you will mention the reporter's name and address. That means you are the reporter, and you will mention your name, class, roll number, your institution name. At the last point you will mention the date, suppose today's date, or the submission date. In your assignment you will mention the date of submission. Okay. So dear students, this is the format of report writing for your assignment number 1 given by the government. Okay, my dear students, I think this class will be very helpful for you for preparing your assignment 1 for ICT. And if you find any difficulties or any further question, please contact me. Till then, take preparation for your assignment, and of course you will try to show your own individuality and creativity while writing or preparing the assignment. Okay, take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.